Okay, once again, good morning. So, last class we saw a definition of regular expression, how the alphabet, strings, and symbols have been used for regular expression. Now, we'll see some examples related to regular expression and how we are going to construct based upon the questions. Okay, so if you see first problem, write a regular expression for the language accepting all combination of a's over the input a. Okay, so now we have to construct a regular expression for the combination accepting all a's. So all a's means it's like clean closure. So a power star, like a power 1, a power 2, a power 3, a power 4, a power 5, and so on. So for that, how we are going to construct the regular expression? So first solution, all combination of a's means, as I told you, it can be single a, it can be double a, triple a, 4 a's, 5 a's, and keeps on going. Okay, there may be the case that a is appearing for 0 times, which means a null string. So for example, whenever you have a single combination of a's, then my language should start with this starting symbol epsilon over here. Okay, whenever you have combination of a's, like if it is a power star, that star represents that we have to start with this particular epsilon, then followed by number of a's. So my final regular expression over here I have shown, which is in bold, r equal to a power star. Okay, so this is the example for my sorry, this is the example for this particular first problem. Next, example 2, design the regular expression for the language accepting all combination of a's except the null string. Okay, so over here null string should not be coming, all combination of a's, but we have to avoid that epsilon symbol at the starting. So for that, to avoid that my epsilon symbol, I have to represent over here as a power plus. If I am representing power plus now, null string will be avoided. If I representing star over there, then epsilon will be, null string will be added at the starting. So this is the difference between null string adding and null string avoiding over here. Okay, next in example 3, design the regular expression for the language containing all the strings containing any number of a's and b's. So any number of a's and any number of b's means what will be the language? So starting it should have my null string. So it can be of single a, it can be of single b, it can be of AA, it can be of AB or BB, AB. So like that can be of combination. So for this particular language, this is my regular expression which I have bold and showed over here. So this is my regular expression, R equal to A plus B the whole star over here. So if I represent like this, then means this A has star over here and for B star over here. So by representing like this, I can represent as even my single A, then single B, then I can take and write it as single A and single B combined together, then A, then after that BB also I can represent. So for that, this is my regular expression, A plus B the whole star. Next example. Construct the regular expression for the language accepting all the strings which are ending with 0, 0 over the set 0, 1. Over here, I have to take the input 0 as well as 1 and it should end with 0, 0. So what will be language? They have represented clearly ending with 0, 0. I can generally take starting 1, 0, 0. So now it is ending with 0, 0. If I take this 1, 1, 0, 0, it is ending with 0, 0. 101, it is ending with 00. So now my regular expression will be 0 plus 1 the whole star. So starting it can be having any number of combination of 0 plus 1, and ending I have to just add this two zeros over here. So this is one is my final expression. So as I have represented over here in bold, this is my final expression for this above question. Next, write a regular expression for the language accepting the string which are starting with 1 and ending with 0. So starting usually it should start with 1 and ending it should end with 0. In between you can have any number of zeros and any number of ones combination, and starting and ending it should have 1 and 0. So how we are going to do this? So simple. Starting I'm taking the 1 symbol, in between I can have 0 plus 1 the whole star, okay, and ending I'm ending with 0. So this will be my final expression as you can see for the above question. Next, example 6. Write a regular expression for the language starting with A but not having the consecutive beats. So it should start with A and it should have consecutive beats. That is, consecutive beats means continuous B should not be present. So I can take single A, AB, okay, AAB, AB. So continuous, for example, ABB. So like this, it should not have. It can have like AB, AB. So this is allowed, but continuous AB is not allowed. So this is how the language will be constructed. For this, regular expression is A plus AB the whole star. Okay. Next, example 7. Write regular expression for the language 0 having even length of the string. So even length is 2, 4, 6, 8. So like that, and the input we have to use only 0. So since it's even length, we are starting with epsilon over here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So my expression will be, since it's even length, I'm starting with two zeros and adding power over here. So multiple, so 0 square means 004, and if I put 4 na 8. So like that it will be keep on going. Only your even length values you will be adding over here based upon the question. Last one. Write a regular expression for the language over 0, 1 such that all the strings do not contain substring 0, 1. So any combination of zeros and ones you can use, but it should not contain the substring as 0, 1. So single 0 I can take, single 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. I cannot take like this. So if I take like this, then it becomes substring over here. So this is not allowed. 0, 1, 1. So this is also is not allowed over here. Okay. So in such a way I have to construct the language where it doesn't come with 0, 1. Okay, where it doesn't comes with 0, 1 over here. So for that what I have to do is individually I have to put my star, 1 star, then 0 star over here. So this is an example for the strings that doesn't contain the substring 0, 1. Okay, thank you.